Hello everyone, this is Kalyan and today I'm going to discuss about a new tool called Emmet. So what will actually it is? It is a great tool which can actually improve the way you are writing your HTML and CSS, and within a less effort you can create a great chunk of HTML and CSS code. So let's get started. So right now I'm using my preferred IDE called WebStorms. You can use your own. So just see how I'm simply generating my HTMLs. So I need a HTML5 doc type HTML. So I'm just using a colon and then it's generated. So I'm giving a title, homepage. Okay, so it's already created for you, and now you can start writing your inner content code. So generally I need one div with the ID of main, and inside that I need another div which is actually with a class of sidebar, and then another div with a class of content, and then a div with a class of footer. Now it's generated again for you. It's quite easy, right? So you can generate your preferred content very easily. So right now, say I need this footer need to be outside this main tag. Okay, so it's also simple. I'm creating an undo. Okay, and so this need to be outside of your content. So simply just put this and tap again. So now the footer is outside your main tag. So you can see it's quite easy, right? Another sample will be like, say in the sidebar you need some ULLIs. Okay, so say I need one nav tag, and inside the nav there will be UL and li. So it's again generated for you. It's quite easy. Another sample, like we need anchor inside the every li. So again this will be anchor, tab anchor generated. Okay, no, this is not we need something more, right? Okay, so we need 5 LIs. Okay, so it's simple, like you can use multiplication functions using just a multiplication sign and need 5. So I need to generate 5 LIs. So just write this and tab. So it's again generated for you. It's quite easy, right? So you don't need to go through all these things, write again and again all the LIs and just simple things. Say another thing, say you need some things, you need a table over there. Okay, it's simple table. Then you need say 10 tier. Okay, and then you need in every row you need 4 TDs. It's generated for you again. It's quite simple. Another options can be like in every TD you need some class. Okay, but you need to give the class name dynamically generated. Say you need 4 TDs, and every TD should have a class, and say the class name will be test. Okay, but you need that test class should be increased by 1 to up to 4. So we just provide test $. Okay, and then expand. It will have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can see how effective this is. Say you need to attach some style sheet. So it's simple, like write link and then it's link and then tab. It will give you a link of actually style sheet. So you can just type your style sheet name, and then again if you need one script tag, it's also simple, like just script src and tab. It will give you a whole new way to attach your say JavaScript thing. So it's good actually. So right now we have used HTML5 doc types. Okay, so what if like we need say HTML4 doc type? So it's also quite easy, like write HTML and then 4, so then tab say HTML4s, then need HTML with strict doc type, and say for transitional, then T, it will give you a transitional. If you want XHTML, then X with say strict, it will give you XHTML strict document. If we need XHTML transitional XT, then it will give you XHTML transitional doc types. Another great thing it is having, like you have heard about loading some text. We often use it for prototyping purpose. Say okay, say we need a div, say we are having a div, and inside that a p tag, and inside that you need some dummy content. So simply it's typing like div p loadem, and it will give you a automatically generated loadem text over there. And even in a great way, like you don't need to copy and go to the loading some site, copy some content and then paste it over there. So it's not only working in HTML, you can use it in your CSS also. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm creating one CSS file. Okay, file. This is my CSS file. And first of all, say I'm going to write body, and inside that body I need a background. So just simply typing by BG and then tab, it will give you a background. Okay, I need a color of say 555, and then we need a font family, so FT, and then sorry FF. It will give you a font family, and then you can write your preferred font family over there, Arial, Sans Serif. Okay, I have my main ID of the page, so I'm just creating a main class. Main, and if you want to give a width, simply W tab width. Okay, I'm giving you 1000 pixel. You need to provide background radius, border radius, so you can write BDRS and give you quite good options. Like if you type over here 10 pixels, see actually it is typing everywhere. And say you need to put a background image, you can simply type BGI and tab, then it will give you options to write your images. So it's also quite simple, right? So actually all the CSS properties is accessible through this Emmet, and you can go through the documentations, and you can find actually if you go through the site over there are plenty of demos, and also one thing actually you can go through over there. There is a good documentations where all the cheat codes is there. So if you go to documentations cheat sheet, so in the cheat sheet actually everything is given in details, so you can go through that, and all the pretty good options are there. And the better thing is actually this plugins is available for all possibles actually IDs. So you can go through that, go to main site, and if you go to download, it will give you like what all the plugins is available for what all IDs, like Sublime Text, Eclipse, TextNet, Coda, Express, Chocolate, Commode Edit, Notepad, and even in online service, like if you go to JS Fiddle and using some creating some demos or using it for testing purpose, it is also available. Like see the same things is working also here. DP, then okay, it's also working over there, so it's having a quite good support. So thanks, keep watching, and we'll come with lots of innovative things. Thanks a lot, bye.